today we're going to show you how to make a
bird feeder.
A bird feeder, yes.
Bird feeder.
Yes.
Tasty.
Tasty, yes. Tasty food for the birds. So let's get started. Right, okay, so me and the kids are now going to tell you all the things that you'll need to do this project. So what is the first thing?
Some juice bottles.
Some juice boxes. What else?
And sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
Pen.
A pen.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Roller.
A ruler, yes. And
some paint.
some paints. You can get any paints you want depending on the colours. If you want to use acrylics are best.
And some paint and some
yeah, we've got a plate here, paper plate to put the paint on, but you can use anything you want. Wire, yes, you'll need some wire as well. And finally some netting. Make sure you get one that has smaller holes because otherwise the bird food will all fall out. So the first step is just getting your boxes and giving them a good sand with some sanding paper, so making them nice and rough. So you want to get your sanded box and you just want to measure about 1 centimetre all the way around. I'm just going to cut around here. I've just covered the table and I've put some paints for them, and they're just going to paint the 2 bird feeders. They have been painted now and we're just going to wait for them to dry so we can put the other coat. What do you think so far?
Fine. This looks lovely.
It looks lovely.
Bird food.
Now we're just going to put the final touches on our bird feeder. So we've got some more paint there. Once your paint has dried, you can just varnish it to protect it from the weather, from the cold. Saeed, there you go. So we're just going to put his bag inside now as well. There we go, so we've got both bags inside. Now the trick is to feed your netting through the hole here. So you want to feed it through. So take off the lid and just feed it through. Make a knot on the top. Now I'm just going to put some wire on the top. So I'm just going to tie some wire on the top, and that's going to hold my bird feeder. We're just going to put the bird feeders on the tree. So we've already put one. So Sarah, do you want to put your one? Lovely. So thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm getting my daughter to film me right now, but I just wanted to quickly say thank you, and please comment in the comment section if you have anything to say. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye bye.